Hi, this is Iman from Samim Group. Here I am again with the Samim's Frame SRM 0655 and the general settings in the web interface. Let's dive in.
Here we are with the user interface of the web. The general options contain settings that shows the name of the frame and its location and contact email of the support team. By clicking on the key sign, you can change the password of the frame. The date and time options illustrate the time zone, the calendar type, assignment, and also NTP server IPs. You can have access to the management port that contains IP and MAC addresses. Address configuration at the auto mode calculates the IP automatically, and you have the option of changing the frame IP by using the manual mode. You have access to all SNMP settings from here. SNMP traps, as you see, SNMP V1, V2C to read and write community settings, and also SNMP version 3 that contains security levels and user table configs. Here you can update the frame.
And the last one, SSL certification, that contains the private key and the device certification. That's it. If you're still looking for more information, please check out our website at www.samimgroup.com. Thanks for watching.